Do you ever have those days where you just want something quick, easy, and light?
Well, this salad is perfect for that. Today, we're going to have a chicken feta salad. And here's what you're going to need.
To make this easier, if you have rotisserie chicken or canned chicken or already pre-made chicken, that's going to make this even easier. But today, we're going to go ahead and start with a chicken breast, and we're going to cook that up.
I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken with a little salt, pepper, and Chipotle Flavor God seasoning. I'm going to stick that in a pan on low heat. Remember, you want to cook it fully on one side before turning so you don't dry out your chicken. We want to keep this nice and juicy. While that's cooking, we're going to cook our piece of turkey bacon. We are just going to turn the chicken and let it cook on the other side. Go ahead and mix the spinach and the butter lettuce. I'm going to go ahead and chop that. You can leave it whole, but I don't like pieces too big for my mouth.
And we'll just put that right in our bowl. We'll chop our mushrooms.
Next, we're going to do the red pepper. We want all of our veggies to be finely chopped, and the great thing about this salad is that all of these veggies don't have to be cooked. And next, we'll do the zucchini. I like to slice it and then rotate it, slice it again, and then finally chop it. I love the red peppers and zucchini. They give this salad such a nice crunch.
We're going to add the crumbled bacon and the crumbled feta cheese.
We are just going to slice the chicken and weigh out 5.5 ounces.
And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my G. Hughes sugar-free balsamic vinaigrette. This is one of my all-time favorite salads, and I hope you enjoy it too.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out other recipes on my channel. Thank you for watching.